इंडिया के फार्म्स अब स्मार्ट हो रहे हैं। 2018 में शुरू हुई फ्यूजलाज इनोवेशंस का एक क्लियर मिशन था फार्मिंग को स्मार्टर, एफिशिएंट और सस्टेनेबल बनाना। उन्होंने सिर्फ ड्रोन्स नहीं बनाए बल्कि एक ऐसा इकोसिस्टम क्रिएट किया जहां फार्मर्स और इंडस्ट्रीज दोनों बेनिफिट करें, चाहे वो एग्रीकल्चर हो, यूटिलिटीज, टेलीकॉम या ऑयल एंड गैस सेक्टर। इनका फोकस सिर्फ टेक्नोलॉजी पे नहीं बल्कि इम्पैक्ट पे है। कैसे टेक्नोलॉजी को फील्ड तक ले जाया जाए और फार्मर्स के लिए लाइफ इजी बनाया जाए। रिसेंटली फ्यूजलाज ने इफ्को के साथ एक MOU साइन किया है जिसमें इनके ड्रोन्स केरला, तमिलनाडु और कर्नाटका के 5 लाख एकड़ से ज़्यादा फार्मलैंड कवर कर रहे हैं। ये एक बड़ा स्टेप है इंडियन एग्री-टेक की स्केल अप की तरफ। ग्लोबल लेवल पर भी एग्रीकल्चरल ड्रोन मार्केट रैपिड ग्रोथ पे है। 2030 तक ये $10 बिलियन से ज्यादा का हो सकता है। और इंडिया जहां एग्रीकल्चर अभी भी 40% वर्कफोर्स को एम्प्लॉय करता है, वहां इनोवेशन जैसे ये गेम चेंजर बन सकते हैं। अब मिलते हैं फ्यूजलाज टीम से जिन्होंने ये विजन रियलिटी में बदला है। Let's hear from them about how drone technology is transforming Indian agriculture and empowering our farmers. Stay tuned. और अगर आपको ये स्टोरी इंस्पायरिंग लगे तो TecRover Didactic को LinkedIn पे फॉलो करें और YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। Technology grounded in purpose truly takes flight. We have with us Mr. Atul. He is from startup Fuselage,
Yes.
and he is the CTO of the startup. Hi Atul, thanks
Hi.
for your time. So Atul, I just want to understand what products and innovations have you brought or showcasing in ELECRAMA today?
In ELECRAMA, we are showcasing our one of the best product ever made, and this is FIA QD10. It's an agriculture drone,
Okay.
mainly used to spray fertilizers and pesticides around the agriculture land,
Okay.
mainly to reduce the man hours in the agriculture land.
Right.
And this particular machine can cover 1 acre in 8 minutes, and this can carry a payload of 10 liters, and it has a fly time of 25 minutes in one charging.
So if I ask you in a few words, what are you exactly solving with your product?
We are exactly solving man hours in agriculture land. Also, we are trying to utilize the fertilizers or pesticides in a very specific kind of what we say, like an optimized rate of applying.
Right.
We have one more product that is called Nirish, and that Nirish and this one will work together.
Yeah.
So the first drone will go to the agriculture field and take the data from the leaves of the plant,
Okay.
and that will be cross-verified with our agronomy team, and they will understand which area is infected.
Right.
So while spraying around the all around the area,
Yeah.
only that particular affected area, those area will be the spray will be little more, the density will be more.
I understand, Atul, this is kind of a disruptive innovation,
Yeah.
wherein it would disrupt the existing processes or the technologies that are being used in agricultural industry. And we understand in our country, farmers are not much advanced. So what challenges do you face while discussing your solutions with your farmers? Do they actually understand that your product would actually solve their problems?
It actually solves the problem, but they have those people have to think a little bit scientifically. But we educate the people.
Yeah.
Actually, what happens in conventional spraying, the spraying particle will go to the soil and it will be absorbed from the root and
Right.
spread it to the plant.
Right.
With the help of these drones,
Yeah.
the spray particles will be absorbed by the leaves,
Yeah.
not from the roots.
Right.
So the result will be much faster than the
So if
conventional
if
spraying.
I may ask, how many drones would be required for a 1 acre land?
1 acre land, one drone will be enough because
Enough.
it can cover within 8 minutes.
Okay.
In conventional spraying, it may take a day
Right.
for a person to spray.
And the spraying process,
Yeah.
is it linear? How do you quantify the
Yeah,
dispersion of?
we can map the areas in our interface.
Okay.
So if you wanted to fly it manually, it is possible.
Right.
If you wanted to make it autonomous. That is also possible.
That is possible.
Yes.
It was great speaking to you and great learning about your innovation. Thank you so much for your time, Atul.
Thank you.
And best of luck for your future.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.